Hello friends, in this lecture we discuss about the properties of determinants. First property, the value of a determinant remain unchanged if its a row and column are interchanged. Remember this here, if we have determinant A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. If we interchange each row into corresponding column, that is Ri to Ci, then new determinants D dash, we get A1, B1, C1, first row become first column, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Value of these new determinants and given determinants both equal, that is D dash is equal to D. Clear this? So value of both determinants are equal if interchange each row into corresponding column. Next, if we interchange any two row or two column, then value of determinants becomes additive inverse. That is a sign of determinants change. Like in this determinants, if we interchange R1 and R2, then new determinants becomes first and second row change. So second row become first, A2, B2, C2. First row becomes second, A1, B1, C1, and third remains same, A3, B3, C3. Then value of this new determinants becomes additive inverse. That is a sign of this determinant change. Clear this? Next, number third, if any two row or any two columns of determinants are identical, like in this determinants, first row A1, B1, C1, second row same A1, B1, C1, then value of this determinant becomes 0. Or in this determinants, if we have two columns same, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. In this determinants, any two column same, like as in place of B1, B2, B3, if we take C1, C2, C3, then here two columns are same. So value of this determinant become 0. Here two row A1, B1, C1, A1, B1, C1, two row same. So value becomes 0. So remember this, if any in any determinants, two row or two columns are identical, then value of determinants becomes 0. Clear? Next property, if we multiplying by constant k to each entries or each element of any row or each element of any column, then value of determinants becomes multiple of k. Like in this determinants, if we multiplying first row by k, that is R1 implies k R1, then a new determinants becomes k A1, k B1, k C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, then value of this becomes k into D. Clear this? So if we multiplying each entries of any row or any columns, then value of a determinants becomes a multiple of a k. Clear? Now next, property number 5. If in a determinants each entries of any row or some entries of any row or each entries of any column or some entries of any columns are in a sum of two terms, then given determinants written into form of sum of two determinants, like as a1 plus lambda, a2 plus lambda, a3 plus lambda, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Here each entries of first row are given in a sum of two terms. So we change this determinants into sum of two determinants. In a first determinants, we write first entries of this sum a1, a2, a3. Write remaining two row same b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. Similarly, in a second determinants, we write second entries of this sum lambda, 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 and in a second row b1, b2, b3, third row c1, c2, c3. Clear this? That means in a two determinants, corresponding entries of any two row are equal. Here in a second row first entry is b1, here also b1, same b2, b2, b3, b3. In a third row corresponding entries are also equal, then we easily change into addition form, taking addition of different entries of different row. Like as in this first row entries are different, not same, so we add corresponding entries a1 plus lambda, a2 plus lambda, a3 plus lambda, and write remaining two row same. Clear this? Next, so is equation here given in a 4.2. Remember this here. To solve question of determinants, look like as playing a chess. So easy. Remember this, how to solve this question. Like as in a 4.2, first question, x plus a, y b, y plus b, z c, z plus c is equal to prove that 0. Think how we prove this 0. We know that a property. Remember this property. If in a determinant two row or two columns are identical, then value of determinant becomes 0. Think how to make a two column or two row same. Look, in a third column, x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. If we multiplying second column by 1 and add in a first column, then we get same. Clear? That is apply this operation. C1 implies C1 plus C2. So here we get x plus a, y plus b, z plus c, a, b, c, x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. Clear? Here first column, third column both same, so value of this determinant become 0. Clear? Hence prove. So taking this side, we get a 0. Clear? Similarly, question number 2, a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, b minus c, c minus a minus b, c minus a minus b, b minus c is equal to, prove that 0. Think how to prove this. Student, you know that if in a determinants two row or two columns are same, then value of determinant becomes 0. Or each entries of any row or any columns 0, then also value of determinant 0. Look here, if we add second row in a first, here b cancel. Also add third row in a first, then minus c plus c cancel and minus a plus a cancel, that is here we get a 0. Same, here we get a 0. Here also we get a 0. That means taking this side, now apply operation. Which operation you apply? R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. Multiplying second row by 1 added in first, third row by 1 added in first, that is R2 R3 add in a first. So here we get minus b plus b cancel, minus c plus c cancel, minus a plus a cancel. Here in first we get 0. Similar here we get 0. Here also we get 0. Now remaining 2 row, write same, b minus c, c minus a minus b, c minus a minus b, b minus c, and the value of this becomes 0. ध्रुव समझ में आया ना? So remember this here. कोई भी डिटरमिनेंट्स में तो रो टू कॉलम सेम है तो भी वैल्यू 0 होती है. ईच एंट्रीज ऑफ एनी रो और एनी कॉलम्स 0 होता है तो भी वैल्यू 0 होती है. ध्रुव अच्छी तरह याद रखना और अच्छी तरह प्रिपरेशन भी साथ में करते रहना. ओम समझ में आया ना? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. 2, 7, 65, 3, 8, 75, 5, 9, 86 is equal to, prove that 0. That's all. How we prove this value of this determinant equal to 0? In this determinant, we make two columns easily same. Remember this here. If we multiplying these numbers by 9, 9, 7, 63, and add in these columns, so 63 plus 2 becomes 65. Similarly, here we get 75. 8, 9, 72 plus 3, 75. Similarly, 9, 9, 81 plus 5 becomes 86. So, Darshal, remember this here. How we get two columns corresponding entries same. Here, we multiplying, that means here, first column change by multiplying second column by 9 and add in a first column, or C1 plus 9 C2. So here we get 9 into 7, 63 plus 2 becomes 65, 7, 65. Similarly here we get 75, 8, 75. Here we get 86, 9, 86. Clear this? Darshal, here two columns you look same. So value of this determinant become 0 because C1 equal to C3. Prove that value of this determinant 1 BC A into B plus C, 1 CA B into C plus A, 1 AB C into A plus B equal to 0. Think how to prove this is equal to 0. In this determinants, we make a two columns same. Think how we make it same. If we take a inside, then here we get AB plus AC, BC plus AB, AC plus BC, and add this column in this third, then we get AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA, AB plus BC plus CA. Take common, clear this? Then we get two columns same, 1 1 1, and last column also 1 1 1. So first 1 1 1 BC CA AB, split this bracket, AB plus AC, BC plus AB, and AC plus BC. Now multiplying second column by 1 and add in a third column. That is, the third column implies C2 plus C3. Clear? So here we get 1 1 1. Second column remains same, BC CA AB, and last column becomes AB plus AC plus BC, or AB plus BC plus CA, AC, or clear? AB plus BC plus CA. Similarly, here AB plus BC plus CA, in our last AB plus BC plus CA. Clear this? So value of here AB plus BC plus CA, now take common, that is multiplying third column by 1 upon AB plus BC plus CA. What is the meaning of multiplying by 1 upon AB plus BC plus CA to third column? Taking common AB plus BC plus CA. Remember this. So here we get AB plus BC plus CA into determinants 1 BC, 1 CA, 1 AB, 1 1 1. So is equal to, here this term equal to become 0. So 0 into this number becomes 0. Clear? Hence proof. Now question number 5. BC, B plus C, Q plus R, Y plus Z, C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, A plus B, P plus Q, and X plus Y is equal to, prove that 2 times A, P, X, B, Q, Y, C, R, Z. Ayush, how we prove this? Value of this determinant is equal to 2 times determinant A, P, X, B, Q, Y, C, R, Z. Think. Remember this here. First column have like entry, A, B, C. Second column have like entry, P, Q, R. Same in a third. So if we multiplying second row by 1 and add in the first, third row by 1 added in first. Here we get A plus A to A, B plus B to B, C plus C to C. That is 2 times A plus B plus C. Here same we get 2 times PQR. Here we get 2 times XYZ. Clear? Then taking common 2, we get the first terms. So here value of this determinant is equal to multiplying second entries by each entries of a second row by 1 added in first, third row by 1 added in a first. That is R1 implies R1 plus R2 plus R3. Take addition of each. So is equal to, here remember this, A plus A to A, B plus B to B, C plus C to C. That is here we get a 2 into A plus B plus C. Clear? Similarly here we get a 2 P plus Q plus R. Okay. Here in a last 2 X plus Y plus Z. Okay. And the remaining row same, C plus A, R plus B, Z plus X, A plus B, P plus Q, and X plus Y. Now R1 implies 1 by 2 R1. That means taking common 2 from first row. Here we get 2 into A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, X plus Y plus Z, C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, A plus B, P plus Q, and X plus Y. Clear? आयुष देखते रहना how we solve this. Now here we want to get single entries in each row or each column. So think how to get a single entries, single terms. If we multiplying by -1 to each entry of this second row added in a first, that is apply R1 to R1 minus R2, multiplying minus sign or -1 by each entries of a second row and add in a first. Here we get, remember this, minus C plus C cancel, minus A plus A cancel, so here we get B. Similarly in a second column we get RR cancel, PP cancel, so Q, and in a third column here Z cancel, X cancel, so Y. Now remaining now right here 2. Now remaining 2 rows same, C plus A, R plus P, and Z plus X, A plus B, P plus Q, and X plus Y. Clear this? So now is equal to 2. Now multiplying first row by -1 add in this third row. That is a third row implies R3 minus R1. So value of this is equal to become 2 into first row same, B, Q, Y, C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X. Here B cancel, so we get A. Here Q cancel, so we get P. Here Y cancel, so here we get X. Clear? So now multiplying this row by -1 add in a second row. That is a second row implies R2 minus R3. Clear? So is equal to, we get 2 into here first row same, B, Q, Y, second row C, R, Z. Clear na? A cancel, here PP cancel, here X cancel. So R, C, R and Z. And last A, P, X. Clear this? Now here in our required terms, in our required determinants, we want to get A, P, X, second B, Q, Y and third this. So first interchange this two. Clear? So R1 and R3 interchange this. So we get a minus 2. We know that first third row become first. So A, P, X, C, R, Z. Second row write the same, and third row becomes this first B, Q, Y. Clear? We know that if we interchange any two row, then value of our determinants becomes additive inverse or sign change. Clear? So this becomes a minus. Remember this minus. Clear? Now here we interchange the second row and the third row, that is R3 double implies R2. So here we get minus minus become plus 2. Here first row become A, P, X remain same. Second row become third. So B, Q, Y, and third row become second. So C, R, Z. Clear? Hence proof. So remember this. This is important question, and think how to prove this. Clear? Now question number 6. Prove that 0 A minus B minus A 0 minus C B C 0 is equal to 0. Think how to prove this value of this determinant equal to 0. Here in this determinants we have more than 2 0. So directly spring this without applying any operation. Here we know that how to expand this determinants to get the value of given determinants. So value of this is equal to first into, we know that remove this row and column and get the determinants. Value of this determinant equal to, we know that product of these two minus product of these two. So 0 minus this is equal to becomes 0 minus minus plus 6 minus A into second entry becomes minus A into remove this row and column. So we get determinants minus A minus C B 0, and value of this determinants is equal to minus A into 0 becomes 0, B into this and subtract this, so minus minus plus BC. Clear? Minus B into product of these two minus product of these two, so minus AC, and the product of these two becomes 0. Clear this? So is equal to 0 into any number becomes 0. Minus A take inside, so we get minus ABC. Minus B take inside, so minus minus plus ABC into 0 becomes 0. So minus ABC plus ABC becomes 0. Clear this? So think how to get a value of given determinants equal to 0. So is equation. Remember this. Now question number 7. Prove that value of determinants minus x square AB, AC, BA minus B square, BC, CA, CB and minus 6 square is equal to 4x square, b square, 6 square. Raj, think how to solve this question. Here we want to get value of determinants is equal to 4x square, b square, 6 square. Think how to get this value x square, b square, 6 square. Here take determinants minus x square, AB, AC, BC minus b square, BC and here BA already given, BA, CA, CB and the minus 6 here. Clear? Is equal to, we want to show that is equal to 4 x square, b square, 6 square minus x square, BA, CA, AB minus b square, CB, AC, BC and 6 square. Raj, this type of question, first take common from first row A, take common B from second row and take common C from a third row. Clear? Or A take common from first column, same B take common from second and C take common from a third. Applying any. Here A take common, that means R1 implies 1 upon A R1, R2 implies 1 upon B R2. Take common, that's divide by given number. R3, from R3 we take common C, so divide by C to this R3. So here we get A, B, C into determinants. Dividing by A to first, here we get minus A, B, C, same here. Dividing by this B, here we get A minus B and C. Dividing by this we get B, here divide by C. To third row we get A, then B, then minus C. Clear? So is equal to, now A take common from this second time, that is here we get x square. B take common from second column, so we get b square. C take common from third column, we get a 6 square. So in the first column we get minus 1, 1, 1. Second column 1, minus 1, 1. Third column 1, 1, 1. Here we write in this form, taking common A from first, B from second and C from third column. We get a x square, b square, 6 square into this determinant, or write this operation. C1 implies 1 by A C1, C2 implies 1 by A C2 and C3 implies 1 by A C3. In place of this verbical form, we will write in a symbolical form, right? Now get 2 or more than 2 0, think how to get a 0. If you multiplying this row by minus 1 and add in a first, we get here 0, here we get 0, here we get a 2. Clear? Similarly, multiplying this by 1 and add in a this. So here we get, which first write this operation, multiplying R1 implies R1 plus R2, multiplying second row by 1 and add in a first row, that is R1 implies R1 plus R2. Here we get x square, b square, 6 square, write the same. Minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0, 1 minus 1 becomes 0, 1 plus 1 becomes 2. Here write the same, 1 minus 1, 1. Here 1, 1, 1. Now split this. So here we get a x square, b square, 6 square. Here first becomes 0, minus 0 into any number becomes 0, plus 2 into, remove this row and column, and get the value of this determinant. 1 into 1 become 1, minus plus 1. Clear? So is equal to, we get x square, b square, 6 square, 2 into 2 become 4. Okay, so is equal to 4 x square, b square, 6 square. राज समझ में आया ना? So is equation. Remember this, how to solve this. Now remaining question we solve in a next exercise. Sorry. Now remaining question we solve in a next lecture.